Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have files selected and 7-zip installed, so begin. Right-click the selection, choose 7-zip, and pick Add to Archive to open options. Explain why. The Archive dialog controls format, compression level, and split size, which determines speed and size. Once done selecting 7Z or zip, use normal or ultra compression based on time versus space trade-off. Make sure to name the archive clearly. This avoids confusion later and speeds extraction. Now configure the middle settings. Pick compression level and method. You want LZMA2 for multi-core systems because it balances speed and ratio. Choose Ultra if you need smallest size or fastest to save time. Next, set dictionary and word sizes only if you understand memory impact. Larger values improve ratio but use more RAM. Once configured, optionally set a password and encryption AES-256 for security. Then click OK. When compression finishes, test the archive by opening it and using the test button to verify integrity. This ensures your files extract cleanly. If extraction fails, make sure all split volumes are present and named in sequential order. Missing parts cause errors. If you see CRC errors, recompress from the original files or recreate with lower compression settings to reduce risk. Finally, keep a backup copy separate until you confirm successful extraction.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.